Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best pour-over coffee makers. So let's get started. Number 7. Hario V60. The Hario V60 is an iconic pour-over method available. You'll see it being used in cafes around the world. Made in Japan by a Hario. Hario translates to King of Glass in Japanese, means the glass or ceramic pour-over coffee brewers are of the highest quality. However, they also come in a range of different materials. It requires a meticulous pour-over coffee routine, complete with timers and kettles, but boy oh boy is the end result worth it. With its conical spiral design and triangular paper filters, this pour-over coffee maker produces a great cup of joe and is an amazing conversation starter in cafes. Number 6. Kalita Wave. When you're looking for a pour-over coffee maker, but aren't interested in turning it into such an involved process with scales, manual grinders, and spouted kettles, then consider using the Kalita Wave. Of course, we don't want to discredit this flat-bottom coffee dripper, it's kick-ass. The Kalita Wave was designed in response to the market demand for a pour-over method that was uncomplicated, efficient, and addressed some of the extraction issues present in conical designs. Like other pour-over coffee makers, you'll achieve a very clean and beautiful tasting brew when done right, just with less effort. Number 5. Chemex Coffee Maker. A classic, all-in-one glass carafe coffee dripper that requires your time, a willingness to learn, and some medium-coarse coffee grounds. Unlike some coffee drippers on this list, it's not portable because of its size, but that's also one of the highlights of this product since you can brew larger quantities of coffee in one go. Fun fact about this brewer, it's part of the permanent design collection at the Museum of Modern Art. So, having it on your kitchen counter is not only functional, but a statement too. All in all, you'll get a very clean, great tasting coffee that is balanced and full of body. Perfect for large households, offices, or art snobs. Read our full Chemex review here. Number 4. Melitta Ready Set Joe. Looking for a quick, easy and cheap way to make fancy coffee? Look no further than the Melitta Ready Set Joe, the most newbie-friendly pour-over coffee maker, and the most inexpensive option on this list of manual coffee drippers. The simple nature of the Ready Set Joe is its strong point, but it's a double-edged sword. There aren't any special features to get excited about. You simply put in a filter, put in your grounds, and pour the water all in one go. Number 3. KONE Filter. Important, this is just a KONE, as you can see from the image above. You can use the KONE to make pour-over as is, but I recommend you try the KONE brewing system. Able Brewing had a goal to create a sustainable and reusable coffee filter, because don't we all feel guilty every time we throw out a paper filter? The answer was the KONE filter, a stainless steel filter that allows for more oils than a paper filter, resulting in a fuller-bodied cup of coffee for your dripper. The KONE filter works with the Chemex and Hario V60. However, you do have the option to purchase it with the KONE brewing system, a super sexy-looking, functional pour-over coffee maker inspired by Japanese mid-century design. 5. Number 2. Hario Woodneck Drip Pot. The Woodneck is a glass pot system from Japan that creates small quantities of effing high-quality coffee. Apart from its very Japanese-inspired design, what separates the Woodneck from the pack is the fact that you use a cloth filter for it. This produces heavy coffee with a lot of depth of flavor, all from a medium fine grind. It looks and sounds expensive and difficult to use. But it's not. The Woodneck represents great value for money, plus it's easy to use. It comes as a complete system with the mentioned cloth filter, the holder, and the serving vessel, all in one. When it comes time to brew, just add hot water and follow simple instructions. Read our full review of the Woodneck here. Number 1. Hario V60 Ceramic Coffee Dripper. Investing in your first pour-over brewer is a relatively simple task. Compared to something like an espresso machine, it's a tiny post on the budget, and it should also be less confusing since the technology isn't that complicated. Pouring water on ground coffee and letting gravity do the work is called percolation. This is one of the oldest coffee brewing techniques, along with immersion aka steeping, which is what the French press relies on.